The holidays are upon us, and this side hustle could be a lucrative way that you can make money, for your holidays. If you're trying to get some extra bread to work with your family, you want to travel, you want to get the extra Christmas gift, since it's the holiday season, Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's, this side hustle could be a very, very lucrative way for you to earn income to do the things you want to do. So I'm talking about a Christmas lighting service. So with a Christmas lighting service, a lot of people are looking to decorate their homes. A lot of businesses are looking to decorate their homes. A lot of, if you're in whatever city or town, that you're in, may want to decorate, a park. They may want to light up a specific geographical area within your specific space. And they are looking right now to hire people that are Christmas lighting, services, to be able to provide those services. Now, you could make, and research shows us, anywhere between 16,000 to 45,000, if you have a certain amount of clients, if you have a certain amount of, people that are interested in your service, and it depends geographically. So I want to kind of give you a step-by-step process to how to start your own holiday Christmas lighting service. And it actually doesn't take a lot of work. Now, you are going to be able to provide and have to provide some inventory up front. So there are going to be costs that you're going to have up front. But here are some of the step-by-step things you should do if you're interested in doing this side hustle. Again, a lot of people, this is probably one of the most non-saturated side hustles, but there is definitely a demand out there for it that you can monopolize if you use social media to promote yourself, if you use, different means of marketing, in your area, and you provide a great service. We could potentially build that, for the next holiday season, and turn this into a very, very profitable business venture if this is something that is in your niche, in your wheelhouse, and you're good at. So let's talk about the step-by-steps and the first things you want to do. So the first thing you want to do is get holiday lighting. So you, as the contractor, you provide the lights, not the client. So you would definitely need to build up an inventory. Equipment will be bulk for your startup course. So I will probably budget around $800, and more than likely will be a little bit more. And you want to find a reliable online brick and mortar wholesaler to buy commercial grade lights from. So you want to, definitely look at some wholesalers, for commercial grade lights. Here's some of the things you'll need to get started, right? You want holiday decorations, extension cords, light clips, wire cutters, zip ties, electrical tape, safety gloves, because you definitely want to, be safe. I would definitely get me some insurance too as well, just in case, you may have to go up on a ladder. You may have to, do, some physical work. You want to make sure that you're protected, right? So a pro tip in this lucrative business, the closer you get to the holidays, so this is around now, guys, all right, the harder it is to find lighting and decorations. And the more you spend, on that, because you want to be ahead of each season. So, for the Halloween season, if you notice, the 2 weeks before Halloween, they start putting out Christmas decorations, you know what I'm saying? And, right when New Year's is approaching, they start putting out Valentine's Day stuff. So you want to get ahead of the season and the holidays. So there's two things I want to discuss here, right? Do I lease or you sell Christmas lights to customers? So as a holiday light installer, you can decide if you rather lease or sell lights to your clients. So it depends on what you want to do. So with leasing lights, it gives you a hard asset that you can use for different clients. You're responsible for installing it, repairing it, dismantling, storing, and maintaining everything. But it's a good source of repeat income. So that's something to pay attention. It also gives your clients great flexibility to change the lighting color or design year after year. Now, the next one is you could sell the lights. So this is more hands-off approach. So once you install the lights, your client is responsible for maintaining and replacing damaged strands. However, they might get frustrated about repair or replacement fees. The client can also change their lighting color without buying a whole new set of lights, right? So what do you think about building a Christmas brand? I've been doing a lot of research on this, and there are Christmas lighting services and businesses who, even though it's only for let's say a month and a half season, they pull in a substantial amount of money because this is a non-saturated business. So there's a higher demand. But if people are aware in your geographical area that this service will be provided, a lot more businesses or people or company may want to take part into your services, especially that, you know, if you're affordable and you keep your expenses and costs low. Like I explained, yes, there's cost up front, but with a lot of business, you may have those costs up front, but if you get those sales and you get those clients, man, you know, those upfront costs, you know, doesn't mean nothing because you're rolling the money with this business. So I definitely want you to do your research. Don't take my word for it, but I definitely want you to do your research. I definitely want you to see if this could be a profitable side hustle for the holidays as we're approaching the holiday season and people are going to be looking to decorate. So let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know if there's other side hustles out there for the holidays that a lot of you guys are doing that, you know, that's different than, you know, obviously starting at Christmas lighting services. Also, to subscribe to the channel. We talk about fitness, finance, self-improvement, anything and everything to overall improve your lifestyle. We talk about passive income, effective ways to make money, and effective ways to live the best lifestyle to become the best version of yourself. Like, comment, subscribe.